Hey guys, welcome to CryptoPark channel, and today I'm gonna tell you about NessLab Airdrop. So according to their task, you can get 100 Ness token just by completing some simple tasks. I'll explain everything in this video, so watch till the end to know everything about it. First of all, you need to join their Zealy community. So if you don't have Zealy account, you first need to create one Zealy account, then you can join their community. So after joining Zealy, you need to complete start here task. Then you can see all the other tasks are unlocked. You will find the Zealy link in the description below. Also, I'll suggest you to complete all the tasks from onboarding section. To get 100 Ness token, you need to register on ByBit exchange from their referral link only. So only the new user will get this airdrop. To complete this task, you will only have 11 days from the date of uploading my video. You can just simply click the link from this task to register on ByBit. You can register on ByBit from here, and you can see their referral link is already automatically populated, and as I already registered, I will just show you after login. So here I already logged in my ByBit account. Here you can see my user ID. This is I need to provide in my Zealy task. So you also need to provide your user ID in Zealy task. So here I will show you one example. After providing your ByBit user ID, you need to click on Claim Reward button. As this is not my real ByBit user ID, I am not clicking on Claim Reward button. After you complete that task, this task will be unlocked. And if you complete this task also, you will get 100 Ness token. So here you can see you will get 100 Ness token, that is 100% airdrop. Apart from that, NessLab sprint is going on. So if you can rank high enough, you will get extra Ness token, which is really very hard. So I'll just suggest you to look for that 100 Ness token. And if you like my video, please subscribe to this channel. And thank you so much guys. Bye bye, see you soon.